Okay, so we want to fix this. See the water? It's bad. We want to fix the tap. The kitchen sink tap is what we are going to fix today. It is leaking water out, so we want to do that today. Alright, so see this one is out. This is because the screw that holds it in is badly rusted. You can see this. That's rusted away, so we need to replace that with another screw that is fine. And also the top of the tap, yes, we need to fix that also. All right, so first of all, we fix the tap. It's not fine. Okay. All right. Now remains the corkscrew, the screw that opens the water. All right. So what do we do? Here is the head. You can see the head. Okay. And it has a plastic cover that covers the top here. We're going to fix that also. Okay. This is a plastic cover. I'm going to find a way of fixing it back to its position. Okay. So this is the plastic cover. I'm going to fix it back to the position on the head of the screw. All right. Okay. The screw has rusted to the head of the corkscrew. Okay, so you see the head. The head is now clean. All right, you wipe it clean. Take clothes. All right, so put it there. Then we screw it. We have a replacement screw here. Can you see that? So let's try that. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are going to use a strong adhesive. I'm going to use a strong adhesive to hold it into position. Okay, so we have the adhesive here. You can use that. Perfect job. Don't forget to like and share the video and give us a thumbs up in the video. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Until another time, we say bye bye.